Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today I'm showcasing the HDX 10-in-1 plumbing multi-tool. This multi-tool features a tubing cutter and has a little side lock that you have to unlatch to be able to open it. We'll latch it back up. It also has, now these are a little tough to get out. It has a flathead screwdriver with a deburring tool on the side right there. Not sure if you can see that, but the flathead's up there. It has a saw blade, and this has ruler markings on it as well. I haven't tested it to see how accurate it is, but has 1 to 2 inches. The saw is pretty sharp. Would be good for cutting through drywall if you have to, a little bit of wood. Has a knife blade. Now these don't lock in place, so you have to be careful. Also has a little tiny flashlight, and it looks like my batteries are weak. It's pretty dim. You just turn the cap to turn it on, turn it off as well. On the other side, it has a hexed stepped seat wrench, and then in the middle does have a Phillips screwdriver. It has a square stepped seat wrench. It has premium handles. They seem to be pretty comfortable. It includes a carrying pouch, and it says that you can cut up to a 1/2 inch PVC. Not sure what schedule that is, but let's test it out. So I have brought some tubing. This is Shark Bite branded, and we'll cut that. That seems to cut pretty good. This is a 1/2 inch. No problems there. Let's try PVC. Now this is a 1/2 inch PVC. And I have to put a bit of pressure on it. Oh my goodness. Did cut it, but I did have to put quite a bit of force on that. The dimensions of this are 5 inch, just shy of 5 inches long. Looks like at the widest point it's about just under 2 inches long. Appears to be about 1 inch. This retails for under $12. I just have to say, with this one, you probably get what you pay for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and tomorrow we'll feature another tool.